General risk disclosure. Trading financial instruments, including forex, futures, equities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, involves significant risk of loss. Trading is not suitable for all investors, as it may result in the loss of your entire investment. Leverage, volatility, and liquidity risks are inherent in these markets. Before engaging in trading, carefully consider your financial situation, experience level, and risk tolerance. You should only invest money you can afford to lose. Forex and futures disclaimer. Trading in the forex and futures markets is highly speculative and carries a substantial risk of loss. The leverage nature of these instruments amplifies gains and losses, potentially leading to substantial financial exposure. This content complies with CFTC Rule 4.41. CFTC Rule 4.41 disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain inherent limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Equities and commodities disclaimer. Equity and commodity trading involves risks associated with market volatility, company-specific factors, and geopolitical events. While stocks and commodities may have a lower leverage factor compared to forex or futures, they can still result in substantial financial losses. Cryptocurrency disclaimer. Cryptocurrencies are speculative and highly volatile instruments. Trading cryptocurrencies involves additional risks, including regulatory uncertainties, security vulnerabilities, and lack of liquidity. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated by most governments or central banks, and their value may be affected by external factors such as news events and market sentiment. Regulatory references. In the United States, this content adheres to the regulatory standards of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, National Futures Association, and Securities and Exchange Commission. In the European Union, trading practices comply with the European Securities and Markets Authority standards. Global compliance, content aligns with internationally accepted guidelines, but laws vary by jurisdiction. Consult with a licensed professional in your area. Past performance disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any historical results or performance shown in this content are for informational purposes only and do not guarantee future performance. Educational content disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice, nor should it be construed as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any financial instrument. Always consult with a licensed financial advisor or regulatory authority in your jurisdiction before engaging in trading activities.
All right, NFP week. It's almost over. It's Thursday. Let's look at we took that high. This is not a confirmed anchor point because we didn't take any liquidity. So this is a target still. Let's take this off. This is what we use in the climb. Last swing high that we broke right here. We destroyed Monday's high. Weekly target is right here. This is a rebalance in the medium term high. Balancing the medium term high. Yeah, go ahead, let us smack this. After this, though, this sell to target here should be a lot smoother, and it's okay because tomorrow's NFP. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday didn't give a setup. So Thursday, is this anchor point confirmed? I don't think so. Intraday, no setup today. P only took trades Monday through Wednesday. Let's get here. So first chart is that. Let me make sure when I finally do. We don't want that no more. Hold on, erase this. Space out screenshot. I added a little bit to the notion today too. It's kind of like a work in progress. That was a lot of what I was doing for so long. So this would be the daily. See how we even came back to weekly open today. That's actually kind of nice. Yeah, I don't like this. After here, I want this. Not even this, but this right here. It's failure swing because we should have took that. A lot of stops right here. It's previous week's low, week open. Um, Short-term target is now the weekly objective we set at the start of the week. After we take these highs, we will be in fair value for selling. Let's go H4. Yeah, we're just super close to it. Just go ahead and knock it out. Retracements. I mean, we kind of had this. We close out this. I really would prefer it to take this. Brown retracements is permitted though. Session liquidity or maybe return back to weekly open. I don't have no target for tomorrow's NFP. No target. Tomorrow is NFP. Here, got the H1. Nas100 H1. OTE. And trend line 50%. And I'm not gonna set the alert because this might work, and then I'll take the trade. So I'd be like, I'm following my trading plan. Then I wouldn't be following my trading plan if I'm trading NFP and I'm not supposed to be trading it. But for the sake of study, retracement here, be alert, 618705, target hit. Man, I'm so glad I got the disclaimer on my videos because if somebody take that trade and it don't work. Chartwork. Notes of these textbook setup. But tomorrow NFP. So my system say don't trade. So I won't. No. Nope. Oh no, take it off of that. I don't know how I did that underline thing. All right, let's go. Let's look at silver. I don't know why you say this. Let's go here on a daily. That sale happened too. It didn't hit that target, but I still think it's gonna go. Look how it's happening too. See how you just like, man, I ain't even gonna trade this week. And you just sit there. I think it's gonna do this, and then just start doing it. Locked in. Still like two sales on liquidity. Let's go on here for the H4. Kind of like that method of it should have started off with the day. Hold on. Bam. And move. Hold on. That's Nas. Cut. H4. Bam. Chart link. Bam. Nope. Okay. So this is the daily. We got CSD on the daily. So here, daily. Okay. CSD on the daily. And we can see our retracements. Thing lower before higher. NFP can give us fair value or buy. Man, if we dip tomorrow, like even if we go to $20, you're just supposed to buy. Like even if it dips so low, you're scared. That's when you just gotta go with it. Just give it market maker sell model. I looked at EU too, and it looks terrible. Just because it's holding, it's H1. Wait for the buys. Don't go rushing this week. What they say, keep your powder dry. That's what they say, like your gunpowder. Let's do this. EUR.USD. It's the daily. Man, all you need is a few little lines. Look at this. Daily looks terrible. That's what NFP usually looks like. That's why you only supposed to trade those first 3 days. Okay. Accumulating. Waiting on central bank manipulation. Let's go H4. Still not interesting. It's gonna be one day. It's gonna be interesting. It's gonna pay. You just gotta wait for it. Still not interesting. Here, let's go H1. I still like buying under here. I still think we go lower. I still think we can go lower before higher. If you thinking PO3 and we want to buy, and we want to be buyers, we need to buy under lows. Okay, so this is that. Boom, boom, boom. Even checking up on just the week itself. Thursday, let's see. Even just checking the week itself is. Let's look at this as yeah, we'll wait for the end of the week. What is this as far as projections? I wonder if this is like stop hunt. Yeah, yeah, it's definitely that stop hunt projection. 2.5 deviations down, 1 deviation up. Textbook ICT. It could end up being like that. All right, that's that on that. Y'all have a good day. Peace.